Hi. Quite a few people struggle switching from a conventional to a natural deodorant, and I want to explain this challenge to you so you understand why. First of all, let's recap the skin for a moment. The skin is your largest organ, your thinnest organ, and your most permeable organ. So what you put on your skin matters because it's going in. Second, it's also important to know that the skin is a major elimination organ, meaning detoxifies. It takes toxins from the inside, it binds them to a water molecule, and it pushes them out of your system. So they're better off out than in, because when they're in, they can circulate and percolate within the system, where they can be very disruptive and lead to a plethora of many symptoms, especially the heavy metals, which I want to focus on today. These heavy metals are found in a lot of your conventional deodorants. You've got aluminum, propylene glycol, parabens, pegs, perfumes, a lot of nasty chemicals that I would not put on my body. But there's a hump period. When you start using a conventional deodorant, what you're doing with those heavy metals and other commercial toxic chemicals, blocking that elimination process from happening. So the toxins smell. And as they leave the system, they're creating a smell, but you're blocking them in. So that's part of the problem. The second half of the equation is, it's in a very, very integral part of the body where lymphatic drainage happens. So not only are you absorbing more chemicals, but you're also overburdening a system of the body, an integral system of the body that's very much in charge of detoxification. The lymph system cleanses the blood. So when you're switching over, now all these toxins are able to leave their body, which is good because we highlighted they're better out than in, but it's something that you have to expect. For a week to a month, in this hump period, you're gonna smell. You're just gonna have to reapply with these regular deodorants. Now, a lot of people don't really tell you this. My hump period was a week where it was brutal. I actually felt like I smelled more using the natural stuff than I ever did with the chemical stuff. And now I hardly even have to wear deodorant. But I do want you to know, don't give up when you're in that week period, be it a week to 2 to a month, that toxins are leaving the system. And until your body normalizes and adapts to the new deodorant, you might have to reapply. To highlight two of my favorite, one is Awaken My Senses. I'm going to show you here. Awaken My Senses comes in a spritz bottle, which is really handy because you can spritz your body, spritz your shoes, your gym bags, your smelly pets, your children, what have you. It's totally effective. I do love it, and I reuse the glass bottles, which is kind of nice. The second one, if you are stuck on a stick, this stick by Penny Lane is sandalwood, which actually works with the pheromones of the body, which is really quite nice. Super, super effective, like unbelievable. But again, you may have to reapply if you're in that hump period. And that's all to consider. So with that knowledge, I hope that I've inspired you to stick it out and given you a little bit of a behind the scenes kind of perspective of that transition and why it's important to stick it out. Bye for now.